Every morning, the quaint village of Maplewood buzzed with the sounds of children trotting down the lanes, their backpacks bouncing with each step as they headed to the local school. Amongst them were siblings Emma, age 8, and her younger brother Max, age 6, who was starting his very first day. The sky was a bright canvas, birds chirping a melodious backdrop as the sun gently ushered in a new day. Emma, experienced and confident, took Max by the hand. It reassuringly as they neared the big, red brick building that seemed much more imposing today than it did yesterday. "You'll love it, Max," Emma enthused. Sensing his hesitation. "We'll read new stories, paint, and even learn about the stars." Max's grip tightened around his sister's hand, his other clutch in the spaceship lunchbox he'd chosen just last week. His eyes, wide with a mix of fear and wonder, scanned the playground swarming with unfamiliar faces. As they stashed their backpacks in their respective cubbies, Emma winked at Max before disappearing into her classroom. Max felt a pang of anxiety but remembered Emma's stories of friendly teachers and fun activities. Taking a deep breath, he walked into his classroom. Mrs. Foster, his new teacher, greeted him with a warm smile. "Welcome, Max. We were just about to start a book about space," she said, gesturing to a circle of eager kindergarteners. Max's face lit up. His fears began to melt away as he joined the circle, his curiosity about space fueling his courage. The day passed in a blur of new friends, color, full paints, and stories that reached beyond the skies. When the final bell rang, Max ran out to find Emma, his face beaming. "School is amazing. Can we be back tomorrow?" he exclaimed, his earlier apprehensions forgotten, replaced by an eager anticipation for all the tomorrows yet to unfold at school.